Okay, so I just wanted to open this up for you just to show what these posters will look like when you receive them in the mail here. So this is from Vistaprint. They're the ones that are making these posters for me. Inside, I thought they would come rolled, but they actually come flat, the 16 by 20s here, in these separate protective cardboard sheaths. They're just taped along here. I've already sliced that one open for us, so we are just ready to go here. And they will be clamped there as well. Inside there's a protective cover over top, and then just a little picture showing you what is underneath there. I'm just going to flip it around. And we can open it up, and there it is. Nice. Beautiful poster of the wolf wearing MetaQuest 3S. So it's a nice, just a regular poster paper that you'd get. Just a little barcode on the back. And our paper there. So there's that one. Quickly do the other one as well. There's our tiger there, MetaQuest 3 on. Same material. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. You can see that there. So I'm going to go ahead and put these into some frames and hang them up. But that is what they're going to look like when they come in the mail and how they are packaged. Alright, so here we have these two framed up on the wall, ready to go. These are just two of the options of animals that I do have. I'll put in the description below where you can find all the different variations with the Quest 3 and 3S with the different animals as well. I'm going to be doing custom pet portraits, so you can find the pricing and availability for that in that same link. And as of now, I'm only doing 16 by 20 inch posters, as you can see here. If you would like a custom size, make sure to message me and we can talk about the pricing for different sizes of different posters. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Find me on my socials or send me an email. You can find all that in the description of this video. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.